We'll go back into the hallway area. This home does have inside laundry with a sliding pocket door. Hello, welcome friends. Thank you for liking my videos and subscribing to my channel. Today's another open house video located here in the village of Summer Chase in the northern part of the villages. This is a courtyard villa. It is 3-bedroom and 2-bathroom. Let's go inside and take a look. Hello and welcome. Thank you for liking my videos and subscribing to my channel. I do appreciate it. Today's another open house video located here in the village of Summer Chase. Here in the Villages, Florida. This is located north of County Road 466. It is a 3-bedroom and 2-bathroom block and stucco courtyard villa with a new roof. That roof was put on in the month of August 2024. I will start, friends, by panning the street of this home. This home is located on a quiet cul-de-sac that is panning left, which is facing west. That is your home there, friends. This is panning right, facing east. That is your home there, friends. As I walk up, I do notice it has maintenance-free landscaping in terms of it has rock landscaping. It is a block and stucco home. It has a new roof. You will see this home is very nice. It has a 1.5 car garage as well. And as always, friends, if you want more information, please contact your showing agent, Zach Hale, or your listing agent, Scott and Cindy Dunn, at Realty Executives. And there you see it does have a new roof. As I walk up to this home, it does have the rock landscaping, very low maintenance. This home is list price for $368,400. It has a painted cement entrance. As I do enter this home, we are entering here in the kitchen area. It does have 18-inch tile floors, very high ceilings with recessed lighting. It has stainless appliances, Formica countertops, wood cabinets with brushed stainless hardware. And I will video the specification sheet, friends. This home is located at 2975 Laurel Hill Lane here in the Villages, Florida. List price $368,400. It is a 3-bedroom and 2-bathroom block and stucco courtyard villa. Feel free to pause the video at any point if you want to read the specification sheet. And there is your contact information as well. You can contact Zach Hale, your showing agent, or Scott and Cindy Dunn, your listing agents. Here I will turn around and show you what the rest of the kitchen looks like. They do have newer looking stainless appliances. That is a gas stove, and I was told that gas stove has never been cooked on. It has wood cabinets, as I mentioned before, very high ceilings with acoustic texture. It looks like it has wainscoting on the walls here in the kitchen area as well. This is the kitchen area looking off into that living and dining area. That is a patio door off to the left going out to your outside patio area. It does have a lanai to the back of the home. Off to the left of the foyer, you will see a guest bedroom. It does have carpeted floors in the guest bedroom. It has 6-panel bifold doors as well. Acoustic textured ceilings. This home has a new roof, as I mentioned before. It also has an HVAC system that was installed in 2021 as well. I will open these closet doors and show you what that looks like. That is your closet there. Thank you for liking my videos. Thank you for subscribing. I do appreciate it. We'll go back into the hallway area. This home does have inside laundry with a sliding pocket door. Has a window, keeps it nice and light. Has a sink as well. The tile floors continue. This door will lead out into the garage area. Here is your garage. It is a 1.5 car garage. That is your HVAC system that was replaced in the year 2021. It is a block and stucco home. Cement floor. It does have paint on the cement floor. That is a water heater in the corner over there, friends. Let's go walk through the rest of this home and see what this home has to offer. It does have laminate floors in that living dining area. Lots of windows, very high ceilings with acoustic texture. Off to the right, friends, you do have the guest quarters. The guest quarters does have sliding pocket door for privacy. It does have a bathroom with tile floors. It has a tub that's made of plastic or fiberglass. Very high ceilings, acoustic texture. One sink, Formica countertops, wood cabinets with brushed stainless. Here's another guest bedroom. Does have carpeted floors, very high ceilings, acoustic textured ceilings. It also has speakers in the ceiling, Bose speakers in the ceiling. Thank you for liking my videos. Thank you for subscribing to my channel. I do appreciate it. There are your bifold doors in the closet, wire rack shelf. We'll take a turn and show you the rest of this room. This would be considered a linen closet. I know some of my subscribers want to see the linen closet. There it is, linen closet. I will now go into the primary bedroom. That is your primary bedroom. It's located in the back of the home. Very high ceilings with acoustic texture in this primary bedroom. Also has Bose speakers in the ceiling as well. This primary bedroom has a walk-in closet to the right, has a bathroom with tile floors to the left, and it also has a sliding glass door that leads out into the lanai as well. Let's take a look at the walk-in closet. Laminate floors continue in here, very high ceilings. Wire rack shelves as well. This is your primary bathroom, friends. It does have tile floors, one sink with Formica countertop, very high vaulted ceiling, acoustic texture on that. Take a look at the rest of this bathroom. Does have a commode space right there. Has what appears to be a 48-inch shower with a glass door. See what that looks like. That shower is tile. It is your floor. The surround is also tile. Very high ceiling, as I mentioned before. I will go out to the lanai area next. This is your lanai. It is in the back of the home. It does have a painted cement floor. This is a block and stucco home. Very low maintenance yard. Has a rock yard in the back. This lanai does have screens. Let's take a walk to the backyard. That's what your backyard looks like from inside your lanai. These courtyard villas do offer the homeowner privacy. Here I am in the backyard. Very mature landscaping. Very private, fenced backyard. Very nice home. As I mentioned, newer roof, newer HVAC system. This is your side patio. Thank you for liking my videos. Thank you for subscribing. Newer HVAC system as well. All right, next I will exit the home. I will walk back out to the street. This home is a 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom courtyard villa. List price $368,400. I will walk out to the street. Give you one last panoramic view, standing in the lanai, looking at that kitchen area. Kitchen does have a 2-bowl sink. This is your pantry in the kitchen, friends. That is your pantry space right there. I will exit the home now, friends. I'll walk out into the street. Thank you for liking my videos. Thank you for subscribing. I do appreciate it. As always, friends, if you want more information, please contact your showing agent, Zach Hale, or your listing agents, Scott and Cindy Dunn. That is their contact information. This home is located on a quiet cul-de-sac. Very nice. There you have it, friends. 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom courtyard villa located here in the village of Summer Chase. List price $368,400. Take care, everyone. Have a great week. Thank you for taking this home tour with me, located here in the village of Summer Chase, in the northern part of the Villages. This is a 3-bedroom and 2-bathroom courtyard villa that is block and stucco. Have a great week, everyone.